everyone, you are watching the ADLINK Expert Talk, when ADLINK meets NVIDIA. I'm the moderator today, I'm Tiffany. Today we're going to focus on how to accelerate deployment of AI at the edge, powering change with AI and deep learning. AI doesn't stand still, it's a living, and it makes a significant impact in our life. From streets to factories, trillions of IoT sensors are uploading massive amounts of data to shape critical decisions in real time. And one of the most powerful and compelling applications of AI is vision analysis. But what is the key factor that reshaping the future of edge AI? It's a great honor today to invite Chairman and CEO of ADLINK, Jim Liu, and Eunice Chiu, VP Sales and General Manager of Taiwan at NVIDIA Corporation, to discuss with us. So first of all, let's welcome Jim.
Hi.
And welcome Eunice.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so the first question comes to both of you. Jim, in your opinion, what's the mega trend of AI?
Whoa, this is a very great question, and as you know, the AI became a buzzy word. Everybody talk about AI, and it seems AI is going to replace a lot of things. That is a trend of the technology. So, from our point of view, the number one is the AI is built more and more intelligence in different devices. So all these devices located at the edge side, they are doing the traditional operation or future operations. For example, inside the factory for manufacture, or on the street you have autonomous vehicles. So this is a trend. But the most important thing for AI, just like you have mentioned, is the video analytic or do some video analysis. I believe majority of the application is convert all this kind of image data to become a control data or useful information. That is the mega trend of artificial intelligence.
So we can say that the edge AI will be one of the key factors of the AI trend. Okay, and how about from your perspective, Eunice?
According to ABI, companies across the world and across industry are investing in AI to boost productivity and improve profitability. According to IDC, the spending on AI system will reach $98 billion in 2023. According to Gartner 2019 CIO survey, CIO picked AI as game-changing technology. So the mega trend in AI I'm seeing is to solve real-time problem. It means edge. To satisfy the massive computing power that is required by AIoT. So there are two critical factors. One is bring AI to edge with end devices such as security camera, robotics, drone, or other autonomous machine. And the second is on-premise server or near-edge devices become an aggregation point or gateway. There are a few examples. Samsung AOI, machine vision, use AI edge instead of cloud. And BMW Group, their factory logistics use AI-enabled robotics with NVIDIA iSet robotics software. And giant retail, Walmart, they use edge AI to build their future smart store for future. So this is a great example on AI.
So the key trend will be how to use edge AI to improve productivity and elevate the efficiency. And we also heard that the NVIDIA and ADLINK are talking about intelligent image analysis. NVIDIA talks about intelligent video analytics, while ADLINK talks about edge video analytics. So why does intelligent image analysis is so important? And what's the core value for a customer? So Eunice, can you share with us first?
Yeah, IVA, Intelligent Video Analytics, transform video data to actionable insights. And I think IVA is at the forefront of AIoT and edge computing. IVA will be $2 trillion industry opportunity. in different vertical industry, say for example, smart city, NVIDIA developed Metropolis platform for the city planner to build good, secure city infrastructure and provide better public services. For retail, also use Metropolis and Distrin for retailer to build smart store like smart checkout, like in-store analytics or customer relationship. And for industrial and manufacture, people use Isaac to build robotics and also use AI technology on NVIDIA platform to develop visual inspection and predictive analysis technology. These are all great examples. And I want to highlight one recent application. During COVID-19 pandemic, AI on edge is used for social monitoring. For example, social distancing, mask wearing, and body temperature checking. So these are all great examples.
Okay, so the key point is it can be adapted to many different kinds of industry, like in smart city, retail, and even the COVID-19 right now, right? So, Jim, how do you think?
Well, the NVIDIA IVA, that is a kind of very big paradise. They included every industry and different territory, and that is great. But ADLINK, our focus is at the edge side, because we believe it's getting more and more intelligence. It's going to move in from, no matter from cloud or from server, to go to the device side. So that means it's getting more and more device or endpoint is going to get more and more intelligence. We call that is autonomy. For example, autonomous vehicle, for example, autonomous robotics. And so actually there are two criteria why we need to move the intelligence to the device. The first concept is we believe all this kind of raw data was collected at the edge side by the device. We call the southbound. And we definitely need to convert all this raw data become a control information or valuable information at the edge side. The concept we call the analytical or intelligent need to be as close as data source. So this can reduce a lot of cost for transmissions. The second one is we call about the latency. As we know, in operation side, time matters. So, for example, in the vehicles, if you cannot make the decision immediately, if you have some delay, 1 or 2 seconds, that is a big disaster. So that is happened at the operation side. So that is why ADLINK, we emphasize and focus on, we call EVA. E stands for edge, V stands for video, and A is analytical. So that is definitely complementary with IVAs, but we are more specific, focused at the edge side.
So Jim mentioned that the purpose is to collect the data from cloud to the device. And from both of your perspectives, we can say that the video analysis will be the future trend and create a new intelligent economy for enterprises. So you just mentioned a lot of advantage of deploying the intelligent image analysis in company. But if they want to make a good use of these solutions, do they have some key factors or issues they need to pay attention to? So this question we go to Jim first.
Well, it's a lot of today it's a lot of POC, and the people try to leverage the AI technology, no matter in the cloud or at the edge side. And just like, who will be the successful guys that can really deploy or implement this kind of AI applications in different industry or in different applications? actually we need to really consider it's not only in the technology. We still need to have a 3 criteria. The number 1 is we need data, the quality data. The number 2 is we should have a domain know-how or domain expertise, really understand the really domain needed. The third one is fields. You need to have a field to test your AI, to test your intelligence. If you don't have these 3 criteria, I would like to say it is very, very difficult to get successful of your AI application or AI at the edge. But definitely, you also will think about, hey, if we got these 3 criteria, is that enough? Definitely not, right? And this is just 3 criteria. After you get the data, you need to train this data. And after you train this data, you need to have an edge controller to run this inferencer or this analytical. And you also have to consider about the security issue, managementability issue, connectivity issue. Also in the future, you also have to consider about the sustainability and the scalability. So I would like to say today there's no single company that can offer the full set from the bottom to the top. So that is why we need alliance with the partner, work together to make it happen.
Okay, and Eunice, could you also give us some suggestions?
Yeah, I think in addition to what Jim said, right, I want to add on 4 factors that enterprise have to pay attention to. First is, they have to ensure their solution provider have a comprehensive ecosystem of applications, developers, and solution providers, right? This is to ensure smooth deployment. Second is consistency. Enterprise have to consider consistency of technology and platform to avoid complexity of management. Third is scalability, just like Jim said, right? It should be scalable for future. And fourth is build for the future. Take IVA as example. IVA to resolve, is to resolve very difficult problems, and the problem will evolve over time, right? So we need a good platform. I want to share to everyone on NVIDIA EGS platform. EGS platform, has a very comprehensive stack, including GPU, including SDA library and platform. For each vertical, Metropolis is for smart city and retailer. Clara is for healthcare. Area is for 5G cloud RAN. ISAC is for industrial robotics. And Drive is for autonomous driving. So together with NVIDIA NGC, NVIDIA GPU Cloud, people can easily download all the SDK library, pre-trained model, and training script to apply to their edge. So this is an end-to-end solution, right? So NVIDIA EGS platform with NGC is a good choice.
Okay, so we have 3 criteria from Jim and 4 factors from Eunice, like quality data, domain know-how, scalability, right? So you also mentioned about that there is no single company can complete all of this work. So partner is really important. So furthermore, what's the impact of GPU on AI applications? How does it accelerate the evaluation of AI applications, Eunice?
Yeah. There are many impacts from GPU. NVIDIA is a company actually offer AI computing platform, and we help accelerate AI application and innovation. Let me talk about GPU first. Our GPU serve different customers, starting from RTX to DGX to HGX, AGX, and EGX. EGX is for edge computing. And then on top of the GPU, we offer accelerated computing stack and library, right? On top of that, by vertical, we offer different software stack and platform I just mentioned. I want to emphasize that during GTC 2020, our founder and CEO Jensen just announced A100, and we also announced EGS A100, right? I believe with this we will continue to drive end-to-end solution and help AI application. One thing I want to emphasize: the GPU with NVIDIA is with native cloud capability, so we offer from edge to cloud total solution.
Okay, so how about from ADLINK's perspective, Jim?
Well, the GPU, as you know, is very important silicon component for the future AIs. In the first beginning, everybody know the GPU is accelerator for graphics. And definitely, if we talk about the edge AI, 90% of the application related with the video or image analytics. So definitely the GPU can play some very significant positions. Since 3 years ago, ADLINK, we work with NVIDIA and Eunice, and also NVIDIA is so kindness invite ADLINK into this big AI family. So I would like to say it's really honor for ADLINK got this opportunity co-work with NVIDIA and to approach the solution for edge AIs. And you will find how important of this component is. Today, I believe 90% of the AI solution, they based on the GPU solution and the CUDA. And also a lot of NVIDIA, they provide a different kind of software stack, so which can accelerating or help the customer in their AI journeys. So ADLINK, we follow our old strategy for embedded business. We understand how to build the right platform to integrate different silicon, for example, GPU, CPU, SoC, or FPGA, and build a industry form factor or box to fulfill the customer requirement. So our goal is how we can simplify and make the customer quick time to marketing and as easy as possible to deploy their AI solution at the edge side. So this is, I believe, that is a very good complementary. The great GPU silicon, and we have a very professional integration capability, including the hardware and the software, and then customer can base on this platform to deploy their solution. So that is a perfect match. So I still want to say, Eunice, thank you very much. You got a good partner, and also we also got a great giant, to work with.
Okay,
Thank you, Jim.
so as Jim mentioned, the 90% of AI solution will connect you with the GPU solution, right? So we can say that GPU is an important cornerstone of accelerating the development of artificial intelligence. So the last question, through the cooperation between NVIDIA and ADLINK, so how do you drive the development of AI market? And the most important, what's the value you're gonna provide to the customer? So this question goes to Jim.
Well, honestly, today, most of the AI application, no matter you already deploy or still in the POC concepts, is still in a very, very early stage. Because we believe AI is the future, and AI will impact all industry. Honestly, everybody still try to find what is the right business model and how we can get the really good return of investment. From ADLINK's point of view is we believe AI, the most important is AI is going to embed it in different industry for different operation. If you talk about the operation, you always need to consider about your OPEX and the CAPEX. That means how you can make your operation efficient and how you can make your investment of your capitals to get a quick return of investment. In the longer terms, you will find AI is going to move into the factory, AI is going to move into the city, and AI is going to hospitals. So all of this one is they're trying to help the people to make your operation efficient and valuable. So honestly, we think that is a great job, and still in the very early stage, we need to participate with different partners, or we call the ecosystem, to work with each other from the silicon side, from integration, from software, even from we call the domain-focused system integrator. So we should work together.
So as you said, Edge AI is still in the early stage, but it was definitely the right way to have the company to elevate efficiency or the convenience, right?
Yes.
So Eunice, what's your opinion?
Yeah, NVIDIA collaborate with ADLINK for edge computing in two ways to serve customer and the market. First is to develop full system for customer to easy deploy, right? We all know that customer, they are looking for full system for easy deployment. With this, customer can, or partner, they can reduce their engineering time and cost, and also for faster time to market. So that's the first area that we collaborate. The second one is we build capability to help customer scale quickly, right? NVIDIA provides range of products for ADLINK to build on that based on JSON platform family. And then, ADLINK can, based on our platform, develop a product that have a high volume to sell all over the world, okay? And the third is that, we really recognize ADLINK has a great global presence and diversified customer portfolio.
Yes.
So we collaborate together with NVIDIA technology and channel partner together, we can better serve the market, right? I wanted to share, during GTC 2020, our founder and CEO announced EGS A100 platform. It includes two parts. One is for larger commercial off-the-shelf server, right, called EGS A100. And the second one is for tiny EGS JSON Xavier NX for micro edge server. So I believe ADLINK will soon develop full system based on the new technology and new platform. Our customer can be looking forward to it.
So
Sure.
through the collaboration, we can help the customer to build a full system and scale quick. And the most important, we have diversified portfolio to help the enterprises, right?
Exactly.
And the conclusion, we always want to say that Jim mentioned before that for customer, our goal is to take the right action with the right data at the right place in the right time. Okay, so thank you today. We appreciate of Jim and Eunice's participation today. Thanks for your informative sharing.
Thank you.
And from today's discussion, we are sure about that the video analysis and artificial intelligence will create a new economy for enterprises. And a key factor will be how to integrate industry knowledge, platforms, and building blocks to individual end user needs. To solve these questions, ADLINK and NVIDIA will collaborate to help the enterprises to find the most suitable solution for companies. So today, thank you for your participation and welcome all of you to contact ADLINK for further information. Next, after 5 minutes break, we will share with you on the applications of GPUs in smart manufacturing, healthcare, smart city, aerospace, and defense. Don't go away, watch the video first.